Good afternoon, everybody, or good evening almost, and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. Still wanted to make an update today. I think it's important. Bitcoin is quite bullish right now, as expected, as most of you know if you follow my Bitcoin analysis. But in this video, we'll just talk about what's going on and also what you can expect, how high we can go, those kind of things. So let's get right into it. I hope you're all having a great weekend, or at least that you almost had a great weekend. It's almost over. But yeah, Bitcoin is doing good. We're around 23,500, which is a level we reached multiple times over the last week, actually. Or at least that level around 23,500 we reached 3-4 times, but this is the only time we actually are sustained there. The other two times we just got there and instantly shut down. So there's definitely more bullish momentum than previously. Apart from that, I mean, technically we've also just been very bullish. As I said, I think yesterday as well, we haven't even touched that 50 EMA, that red line, which is extraordinary. You don't see that a lot, that you're in an uptrend and we don't even retrace back to that level. But apart from that, I think there's more fundamental reasons behind this bullish momentum. So we'll talk about that. Right now, I mean, as you can see over the course of today, the volume slowly started pouring in, and I'm expecting that it will continue to go up to probably between 25 and 30 billion tomorrow when the market opens. But the big thing is, and also why I made the thumbnail probably something like a big week coming for Bitcoin, is because next week, Wednesday to be precise, Wednesday in the evening or Wednesday in the morning if you're from the US, what we're going to have is the interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve, and probably also some sort of a press conference with it, even though it's not listed right here on myfxbook.com, which is always what I use. But that's major, of course, and now the consensus is actually 4.625. It used to be 4.75. That's very bullish. But yeah, I mean, this is the important thing, because what's going to happen with Bitcoin, the main thing why we are this bullish is, or one of the main things, is because of the decreasing inflation year on year, and the monetary policy decisions expected to be made because of that, and those are going to be made next week. So if they say something like, yeah, all right, so inflation is dropping down, but we still want to increase it, we could still very well crash. All right, but that's just not something I can predict. What I can predict, though, is that usually when good news is expected at one of those meetings, at one of those decision moments, usually the days before that are a little bit bullish. And that's also why I've been saying that I expect bullish momentum, and then at some point I think we're going to go up to this to our main resistance level, which is still, it really is 23,900. It's not 24,000. That's our main resistance. And I think we can even, in the upcoming days, so Monday, Tuesday, maybe beginning of Wednesday, but I doubt it. Usually the day itself is pretty quiet. I think we can actually get all the way up to 25,000, more specifically to this level right here between 24,700 and 25,000. That's my main price target, but I do expect this bullish momentum to stay at least the days ahead of the Federal Reserve interest rate decision and the press conference around it. So yeah, that's really the most important thing right now. Apart from that, the market has been doing good. There have not been big scandals or something, which is great, because we haven't had that for a long time. Obviously, Genesis bankruptcy is something that happened in January, but that did not really have a lot of effects. So yeah, it looks pretty sunny for Bitcoin. Obviously, I'll keep you updated for now, or I'll keep you updated until Wednesday and also on Wednesday itself. So keep an eye out for that. But for now, that's my take on Bitcoin. So take care, enjoy the rest of your weekend, and bye.